Hi dear students, welcome back to the class. Today we are going to discussing the topic echoes. The last video we have discussed about reflection of sound and absorption of sound. I hope all of you understood that topic. Okay, you must have visited an echo point at all the hill. If you shout loudly at such a point, you hear the same sound just after a little while. If in time you hear like this, yes, this sound is called an echo. What? Echo. An echo is the repetition of the original sound because of reflection by some surface. That is called what? Echo. In order to be able to hear the original sound and its reflection distinctly. At 22 degrees Celsius, what must the minimum distance be between the source and the reflecting surface? What is the reflecting surface? At 22 degrees Celsius, the velocity of sound in air is 344 meter per second. 344 meter per second. Okay. Our brain retains a sound 0.1 second. Thus, for us to be able to hear a distinct echo, the sound should take more than 0.1 second after starting from the source to get reflected and come back to us. Clear? Yeah. See how the sound that come back to us. Yes, it will take how many times? 0.1 second. Thus, we can determine the minimum distance between the source and the reflecting surface as follows. Like that. Okay. So, distance equal to speed into multiply time. Substitute the values. What's the values? Yes, that's equal to speed equal to 344 meter per second into time, that is how much? 0.1 second. So how can you calculate? Yes, multiply it, you will get the answer 34.4 meter. So thus to be able to hear a distinct echo, the reflecting surface should be at a minimum distance of half of the above, that is 17.2 meter. Is it clear? So the reflecting surface from the receiver and the transmitter from the distance is how much? Yes, that is 17.2 meter. At the velocity of the sound depends on the temperature of air. This distance depends. So now we are going to discussing the topic sonar. So what is sonar? What is the full form of sonar? Sound navigation and ringing. Okay. So sonar is a technique that uses sound propagation to navigate, communicate with or detect objects on or under the surface of the water, such as other vessels. There are two types of sonar, that is passive and active sonar. So what is this passive sonar? Sonar is essentially listening for the sound made by vessels. Okay, and active sonar is emitting pulses of sound and listening echoes. The acoustic frequencies used in sonar system vary from low to extremely high. So this low sound means that is infrasonic sound, and the extremely high one, that is ultrasonic sound. You know, this ultrasonic sound we are cannot able to perceive. That is good for our health. Otherwise, it affect our brain. Okay, okay. And in case of bat, you know, this bat use that ultrasonic sound. So brain got the bat got the brain hemorrhage? No. Why? Because bat can produce vibrations in the frequencies range of 500 hertz, 50 hertz to 80,000 hertz. That's why. Okay. And next is, what is sonar? Is device fitted in the ship to find the depth of sea is called sonar. It is based on the principle of reflection of sound from the point A. Ultrasonic vibrations are sent. These vibrations are striking the seabed, get reflected upward, and are picked up at point P. The time in which reflected sound is received is recorded. So, knowing the speed of sound in water, 1500 meter per second, and the time taken for the reflected sound to reach the sonar, the depth can be calculated. So, how can we calculate? Let's calculate. Okay, the speed of the sound in water, that is equal to distance covered by sound upon time. So, 1500 meter per second equal to distance covered by sound upon 1.2 second. Therefore, distance covered by sound equal to 1500 multiply 1.2 equal to how much? Equal to 1800 meter. Therefore, the depth of sea equal to how much? Yes, 1800 meter. Okay, thank you.